I'm good. I'm glad that you. Girls, these are your boards.
Oh, that's cute.
That is cute.
Yeah, I like them.
So the good thing about this is you can use it for other things once you're done with your roll. So you want to cover that. A bracelet made for you, so you can keep your vision visible to you. Oh, God, this is cute.
Is that your name? Thank you.
Welcome.
There's a heart, the Eiffel Tower, and an airplane. Travel.
And the cross.
These are actually my goals for the year. If you haven't seen the video, I will leave it up in the cards above.
You have the purple one on it?
Yeah.
Purple is like
She was trying to bite and broke all the box. So I just wanted to share with you guys my vision board and kind of describe what I have going on here. So around the borders, I have different quotes and sayings. So at the very top, I have all black, all beauty, all the time. And then going around, I'll just read a few. Good vibes only, good energy, do a personal appraisal, melanin power, beautiful, be better, still strong, impress myself, cleanse your mind, that is a good one, catching up on Z's, vacationing with a purpose, black and positively, and a creative mind. So I kind of split my vision board up into 3 sections. At the top, you'll see a few pictures of African-American women who are natural, and I wanted to add this section. I wanted it to be a big session because this is going to be a big part of my year. If you guys do not know, I am currently transitioning to natural hair, so I am 9 months into the transition right now. So I just want to embrace my natural beauty, my natural hair. I'm wearing makeup right now. I do wear makeup. But my natural hair and my natural beauty. I have this middle section is like healthy living, and this bottom section here is just, I guess, stimulating my mind. So curly and confident, I think that speaks for itself. I want to be confident in my natural beauty. I am contemplating when to cut my hair because I'm not comfortable. I don't think I'll be comfortable with very short hair. I can show you what it looks like, but I don't think I'm comfortable yet. So I just want to be confident in my own skin, my own natural beauty. I have this here. It says young, traveled, and black. And here there's a quote. It says, think of intentional travel as self-care vacations. They offer the opportunity to mature you. Another one I have here is do your best, F the rest. And this is a good one. All I can do is my best. I can't really worry about things I can't control, things that are out of my reach. So I will do my best and pray about it and then just let everything go, because I can't change things that I can't control. So I don't want to focus on things I can't control, if that makes sense. And then here I have 3 books. And I recently joined a book club, so I will be reading a lot this year, a lot more this year. Because I always, you always want to do this, but if you don't like sit down and take the time to do things, you won't do them. So being a part of this book club is very encouraging because other people are showing you that they're doing things, and then they're also pushing you to do it as well. And then here I have this jar of money. You guys know in January I am doing this thing where I'm not spending any excess money. So that goes into my finances and just being aware of how I spend my money. Here I have water. What you put in your body is what is going to affect how your body is. So water is very important, and I want that to be a big part of my life this year. Then I have another quote here. It says, now is not the time to be silent. Find your purpose, pursue it relentlessly, passionately, and loudly. Be persistent and win. So if you guys haven't checked out my channel, you should do that after this video. But I think one of my passions is DIYs. I love to create and to change things and make them something new. So I really want to do more of that this year. And then lastly, I have here the Essence Festival. You guys know what the Essence Festival is. I don't have to really talk too much about that, but this year I wanted to try to attend that as well as the Curl Fest. Since I am embracing my natural beauty, I want to be around other women who are doing the same thing. So this is my board. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are inspired to create something. It doesn't even have to be like mine, but just to create something. Get your vision on a board so you can see it every day, and once you see it every day, you're like, oh, I did say I was going to do this. What do I need to do it? What do I need to do to complete my goal? So I encourage you guys to make your vision board and then put it somewhere where you will see it every day. Because when you pass it every single day, you will be doing a visualization exercise. And that is one of the most powerful things that we can do with our mind. When you make a visualization, you are emitting a powerful frequency into the universe. So we want to get those ideas and those thoughts and those goals out into the universe. We want to speak things into existence. So make sure you guys put this where you can see it. You don't want to just hide it in your closet. This is supposed to encourage you and inspire you to actually complete your goals in the future. In honor of Martin Luther King Day, it is Martin Luther King Day today. I wanted to wear the shirt. I always wear it every year. Martin Luther King Day, make it a day on, not a day off. But I just wanted to inspire you guys to make this day productive and create a vision board. Put your goals on a piece of paper and then put them on a board so you can see them come to fruition. And then here on our board, we have these little clips. You can open and close, and you can just slip a piece of paper or a picture in here. And what I wanted to do is put a picture of me achieving that goal. So for this one, I wanted to put a picture of me getting a big chop, if I do it this year. We will see. Or just a picture of my natural hair growing, or my natural hair. Here I wanted to get a picture and put a picture of me traveling this year. And here I just wanted to get a picture of me being healthy and living my best life, but being healthy at the same time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like if you enjoyed this content. Let me know in the comments below if you were inspired by this and you are now going to be making your own vision board. And remember, it doesn't have to be like anyone else's. Your vision is what you see for your future. It doesn't have to look like mine. It doesn't have to look like hers or hers. It's what you see. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. First, I wanted to share with you my journal that I have that I use when I want to be creative. I was drawn to it because it has this quote on it, and it says, "If you can dream it, you can do it." And this quote is by Walt Disney.